What's up, everybody? Just wanted to do a little walk around video of my Outlander here. Start taking a few videos of the things we do and hammer down off-road. Like to do a little mud riding, trail riding, stuff like that. Had the YouTube channel for quite a few years now. Haven't really put anything on it. Figure I'd start making a few videos, see what happens. Talk about the bike a little bit. It's a 2012 Outlander 1000. I've owned it since, let's see, probably 2015. I had it on, when I bought it, it had 28-inch terminators on it, and it's had multiple set of tires, and I decided to put the lift on it. The lift is a 6-inch performance ATV. It's got Turner axles all the way around. I also have a set of Elka shocks on it, stage 1s, that I had resprung for the lift. Has a torque locker and the front differential. As you can see here, the last ride out at River Run had a little carnage. This axle got in a bind, went to brake, and as it was braking, it took the case along with it of the diff. Luckily, I got a friend that has a case and actually a full diff. I'm gonna swap the locker around and send the axle back to Turner, and they're gonna get it all fixed up. 34.5 Outlaws MSA Brutes, I believe. Clutches. It's got full STM clutches. Can't see them right now, of course, because the cover's on it. The 3P, I believe, and the STM secondary. The snorkels, I built those myself. Rubber Down Customs. Radiator relocate kit. A little light bar. I fabbed up those tabs and just bolted an eBay light bar on there. It does pretty good. These LED headlights, they're from O'Reilly's, believe it or not. Just drilled a little hole and mounted the bracket and put them in there. They do pretty well. What else? We've got an RJWC stacked dual exhaust. Like the way it sounds, pretty good. Rear differential is a Maverick rear differential with the C-Fab brackets to accommodate it. Moves it back quite a bit. That being said, I think they're out of business now, but Full Armor Off-Road used to make that drive shafts, which is nice because when you have to service it or do whatever, it has a slip yoke in it, and you can just undo the bolts and pull the drive shaft out without having to pull the diff back or anything like that with the factory one. The boots here haven't had very good luck out of the silicone boots. They rip, as you can see. That one's got a pinhole in it. The regular rubber boots seem to do fine, so while I'm doing some repairs on it, I'm going to go back to all black rubber boots, and had pretty good luck out of those. The engine. I sunk it. Yeah, imagine that. Sunk it. Had Specialized ATV and Hot Springs build it for me. They use all MR.RPM parts. You got the aluminum valve covers. It's bored to 1040 with Maverick heads, trail cams, MR.RPM crank, you know, just pretty much everything you can get off his website. And it runs very well. Have a power commander to help with the tuning. Also had the ECU reflashed. So it's pretty healthy. Transmission, also have a 6x6 transmission in it. A little lower gear ratio to help turn these big tires. It definitely made a big difference. So only thing I can say there is don't get water in your belt box and keep riding it. I learned that the hard way, and that's why I had to buy a transmission. But anyway, we'll do a little startup video here. Let y'all hear it. It's a cold-natured beast. Have to run a mix of 110 race gas and regular 93 or 91 pump gas, and it tunes a little rich, but I'd rather it be rich than lean, burn a hole in a piston or valve. But anyway, well, that's a little walk around video of this thing. Like I said, I'm gonna start taking some riding videos, and got the X3 in there as well. We'll do some videos on it, but we'll do a repair video on the front differential. Then after that, off to muddy bottoms and hopefully get some good riding content. So hope y'all enjoy. If you have any questions, just ask them in the comments. Thank y'all. Have a good day.